Okay, the video of the area a little bit more to the west of the last video across from the swimming beach. There's site 21, and there's the boat ramp and I guess it's a courtesy dock. It looks like it's probably not for fishing since it's next to the boat ramp. Thought they might have a fishing dock over here. Lots of parking. And so if you're camping here, I think a lot of the sites have a shore that is sand. So once you get your boat launched down here in the campground, you have their own boat ramp in the campground, you can just dock it overnight in front of your site and leave it in for the weekend or the week, however long you're staying here. Nice little area to back up there. And it's just a single, but I don't know how busy they would be. I don't think they'd be that busy here. And yeah, just a courtesy dock here. And there's more camping over there on that last peninsula to the west here. You're going to have sites 1 through 17. So, I'll give you an idea of the lake is pretty clear. It's being ripped up right now because it's a windy day. But generally it's pretty clear. Looks like you can see a site over there. Looks like a pretty nice one. Have a view of the boat dock so you can see someone crash into the boat dock with their boat. I'm sure that happens once in a while. In fact, there goes a pontoon right there. And guess we got room for 2 boats at a time here. Nice little sunset on Lake Hartwell. Once again, this is Oconee Point Park, just south of Clemson on the Seneca River, which is part of Hartwell Lake, or Lake Hartwell, South Carolina. All right. Enjoy your time, and thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good one.